Priya. Welcome to my channel, and I really hope you all are doing well and are safe. This crisis has disrupted our lives and we all are trying to deal with it in our own ways. But just the other day I was thinking about all those who might have moved to Canada just recently and are new to the country, what they might be going through and what their struggles might be. Ideally, when you move to a country, you look forward to exploring the country, visiting new places, meeting new people, but this was so unforeseen and nobody had control over it, right? So to all those of you who are new to Canada, I just want to tell you one thing: please have faith and hang in there. Have faith in the system, in the administration and the government. They all are doing a lot to protect us and help us get out of the situation as soon as possible. This is the time when we need to be with each other and help each other more than ever. And if you're feeling lost and confused about certain things, I would really request you to continue watching this video. I have tried to address some questions and concerns and really hope that it's helpful to you and you can benefit from this. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is getting your health insurance card or just health card. Your health card is one of the very important documents besides your PR card, province card or other identity card, and it's something that you must have on you at all times. As soon as you arrive in Canada, you must apply for your health card. To apply for your health card, you can visit the website of Service Canada and find the step-by-step guide on applying for your health card. I will mention the link to the specific page so you don't have to worry. So the second thing that I'm going to talk about is getting a family doctor. Look, on a normal day, you could just call up and take an appointment and visit the clinic yourself and ask the people out there about the whole process. But given the current situation, things have changed a bit. So what you can do is call the nearest clinic and ask the people out there about the whole process. The experts on the phone will guide you about the whole process and check with the doctors associated with their clinic and see if there is any doctor who's willing to take up new patients, and if not, then you can move on to the other clinic. While assigning the doctor, the experts on the phone might ask you a few questions like where you live, your medical history, so please make sure you cooperate with them. And once you are assigned a doctor, it totally depends on your relationship and your frequency with them. You can gauge for yourself whether you like the doctor and would like to stick with them, or if not, you can let the clinic know if there is any other doctor available, or you can always move on to another clinic. So now we come to the third point, and since the world is going through a pandemic, I think it's very important for all of us to be alert about our bodies and just listen to what our body is telling us. If you're feeling a bit unsure about your health, just take the self-assessment test. What you can do is just go to Google and type in COVID-19 self-assessment test. Typically, the first result is what your province has provided. Just answer all the questions in the test honestly, choose the most appropriate options and abide by the result. If you're asked to self-isolate yourself, do that. If you're asked to just maintain physical distancing, do that. And if you are asked to call a certain number, please do that and call the number, and the experts out there will guide you about the whole process. If they need to connect you with the nearest hospital or the healthcare center, they will do that. And I just want to tell you one thing which is very important. Don't panic and only rely on verified sources of information like the Government of Canada's website or WHO's website. The next thing is what you need to do in case of an emergency. A lot of you may already know, but in case of an emergency, you need to call 911 immediately. An emergency is a situation where you need assistance from the police or the fire department, or where you need an ambulance. So please don't misuse this number. use it only at a very critical time and during an emergency. One of the most important things that I wanted to share with you is about mental health. Mental health is something we cannot afford to neglect, especially during such trying and difficult times. Just yesterday I was looking at Prime Minister Justin Trudeau's Instagram story where he announced the launch of a new website called Wellness Together Canada that offers support with mental health as well as substance abuse. So in case you know somebody who's struggling with mental health or substance use, please share this piece of information. It might just help them. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is shopping. Look, we all know that this is not the right time to shop for non-essential things like cosmetics, clothes, or home decor stuff. We are not sure where the economy is heading and we need to save money irrespective of what backgrounds we come from. And especially if you're new to the country, you might be also spending in your home country's currency. So please be mindful about your spending and only spend on things that are absolutely necessary for you. For example, groceries, medicines, and other household supplies. I must also tell you that all grocery stores and pharmacies are running as usual. So you can go out and shop for your essential supplies, but in case for some reason you don't wish to step out, you must know that all major departmental stores have their online websites and you can shop for your groceries and other stuff online as well. One thing that I would want to stress upon is wherever you are outside, whether you are shopping for your groceries or picking up food, always maintain distance from the other individuals and follow the instructions told by the employees of a grocery store or a restaurant, and try help not to create a chaos over there. I will mention the links to the grocery stores that deliver in the description box below, so you can check it out. And you can also have a look at Amazon or well.ca for your supplies like supplements, medicines, and protein shakes or other stuff that you need on a regular basis. So let's talk about whether one should have food from outside during these times or not. Honestly, it totally depends on you. Most restaurants, cafes, and food joints in Canada are operating. Of course, you cannot go and dine in, but you can always pick up your food or order in. These places are taking a lot of care and all the preventive measures to make sure their cleanliness and hygiene game is on point. If you're not sure about the standards and policies of a restaurant, please do not order in or have food from there. Honestly, we have been having mostly home cooked food these days, but we have ordered a couple of times, but only from those places where we are sure of their cleanliness and hygiene standards. For other services like phone or internet connections or banking or insurance, make sure you call the service providers, and the experts on the phone are super helpful. They will guide you step by step in availing their services. So with that, we come to the end of this video. If you found this helpful, please share it with your loved ones or friends who are in a similar situation. And if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. It would mean a lot, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.